Hello there, and today I'm here to talk to you about Nutribullet. Now, this is a pretty good compact blender that really does not take up a whole lot of space. It's the same function as a regular blender, but the difference is that you get these cups right here. You connect it to the blender bottom here, and all you have to do is put it in, push it down, and slide to, I'm pretty sure the left, I want to say, and it blends super easily, and it's really surprising how easy it blends, especially with these blades, because they don't look super sharp, but obviously they work pretty well. You really only need to blend for 2 minutes at most. But yeah, you do get another cup with it. You get a cup topper, so that obviously right after use, you don't have to change cups or anything. You can just slap on the to-go top. And yeah, I really like the color that it came in, this white and rose gold. Super easy to clean, not a whole lot of maintenance. Doesn't slip because it has the non-little slip stuff on the bottom. The one thing I will say is the cord is not very long, and it's still pretty loud. But other than that, I really love this Nutribullet, and I highly recommend it. Thank you.